Hi everyone, it's Organic Worm Castings by Soto here, and I just wanted to give you an update on my worm. This is the smaller worm band. I was going to go ahead and pour the worms out on this table here and see how the castings are coming along. Here's some of the carbon that I've taken out, of which I'll go ahead and add some food to it. But let's go ahead and pour the worms out and see how the castings are coming along. We got a lot of worms in there. Let me get this better set up. I'll be right back. This is what the castings looks like so far. I think they're coming along really nice. And you can see how the moisture in the worm bin is. They're doing pretty good, eating up the carbon. There's the inside of the worm container. I'm just going to leave those worms in there. Pretty clean worm bin. So I'll go ahead and put them back into the container, and then take the carbon that I have here with some food on it and give this bin some of the last watermelon. I have more worm bins if you're interested in seeing how they're coming along. Stay tuned.